Hi guys. Well, this is actually after a long time that I'm recording a video, but all that I can say is I am extremely sorry for what I have done. I'm sorry to you because recording a video was not just about me. It's about you all. It was about you all, and I couldn't, you know, think like that way. And I had done whatever soothed my mind, me. Uh, but guys, I just don't want to waste time by apologizing. Rather, we'll start the new start. So this can be our restart. And guys, literally, it is my restart. I cannot tell you that with what I have been going through. Well, it was not about the physical condition, the material condition, but it was about the mental condition. In the upcoming days, I'll be discussing some of the incidents that I have come through, and we'll having the conversation regarding those aspects as well. But I think what is important today is uh, to celebrate the new beginning, the new journey. So we'll start our conversation. We'll have our conversation in this particular topic, like how to restart and what is the significance of beginning, starting your starting the activity after a long time. Be yourself after a long time, and how it feels when you come home. Like mentally, I feel today that yes, I have come home after a long time. Well, actually, although I didn't go anywhere physically, but mentally I was lost. It was not about this depression and this type of feeling. I'm not asking for sympathy, but I'm discussing those. I'm discussing this just to make you aware that how our minds befools us, how our mind tricks us. This is connected. My incident is connected to this aspect, that how mind plays with us, and that is why I'm discussing. Well, I don't need any sympathy regarding uh, what was my mental state, and it is not about the sympathy. It doesn't worth here, at least here. And I too don't feel sorry about that, because I was literally in a different world. Hmm? It was something. It was something that we never. Uh, I never kind of say that I never went through. No, I have come. I had go through these those type of feelings several times. But after, in this in after month I went there. I don't know, guys. It may feels rubbish that I'm talking about the mental state, and I'll be discussing those topics in the upcoming days that would be very kind of relatable to you if you are lazy like me, and if you procrastinate, if you do everything to soothe your mind, if you do everything to make yourself feel happy, but you don't strive. You want instant happiness, like to watch television, to play games, go to the friends and talk hours and hours. Okay, so our days upcoming days conversation is somewhat related to are going to be related. Hmm? And you all would relate to me on that particular topic, but I think celebration should not stop. Which why celebration? Like, yes, it's about, I'm recording this video. It's a great thing for me. I'm recording this uh, kind of documentary, and I feel grateful that I'm recording this. I don't have any regrets. Literally, I don't have any regrets. What I actually have is aspiration. Guys, let's switch the topic. Have you ever thought of being a billionaire or being a millionaire? Of course, you must have. And you watch content related to that in YouTube, on YouTube. Like, you can be a businessman, you can buy cars, you can buy houses, you can travel the world. But give me one thing, give me one example. One, okay, there can be exceptions. Give me some examples, like 20%. That how many of them, the viewers, get their dream cars, dream houses, dream places. Hmm? Suppose I watch videos of being millionaire. Okay, some give their courses how to would say earn money, how to earn money and get billionaire on YouTube. Okay, they give schemes, they give business ideas, but I don't believe that. I believe that the only person who will be benefited uh, after watching that video is the creator of that video. Suppose I give you the advice how to become the millionaire, right? And you watch, and I put the thumbnail so attractive, so catchy, that you must come. at once. If you watch, if you have a eye on that. Hmm. What happens is that no matters how you watch the video, no matter how would you perceive that video, no matter how useful that video would be, you would not be no, you would not going to be a billionaire while watching the video. And that's a bitter truth, my guys, my friends. You cannot be someone who you aspire to be by just watching the video. You have to enter the market. You have to go. You have to run. You have to walk. You have to strive to get the way. On YouTube, you're never gonna find a way. But when you start finding the way physically, when you're getting the things, when you start interpreting interpreting the things, the concept, the logic, the way, then you get some solid, you know, solid ways, solid roots to be a billionaire. And one thing that I want to say that if you have any dream, any aspiration, any aim, give it 10 years. 10 years. Give it 10 years. See where you get, will come. At least 5 years. At least 5 years. And see where you come, where you end up. But if I'm saying that 5 years, it means that pure 5 years dedicated towards that goal, towards that aim. Every day, each and every day of that year, of those years, must be, you know, for the goal. Suppose you want to be the best fighter in the world, you can be. You can be. At least you would be perfect in the arts of learning. But why, you know what? Practice polish you, and it is an everlasting process. But you would be the perfect one in that arena if you fight, if you practice fight for 5 years straight. Every day you give 3 hours, at least 3 hours, and suppose and think your where would you end up? Being the best fighter in your city, in your state, in your country. Well, this is my commitment. Okay, guys, I know today's conversation is ambiguous, but I hope that you have got the things that I wanted to tell. Upcoming videos are really going to be interesting, and that would be straight to the points videos, and we will not go off topic. In the beginning of the video, we will be stating the topic, and further we will not move our conversation to different directions. So that's it for today. I welcome you all again, and thank you guys to be here.